Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Apple Wallet not working on iPhone. If Apple Wallet isn't opening or functioning properly, first of all swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find wallet, then swipe it away from the app switcher. Next, restart your iPhone to refresh system processes. Ensure your iOS is updated to the latest version. To ensure, head over to your app store, search for Wallet app, and then make sure to update your app to the latest version, as older versions can cause wallet glitches. Then, check your internet connection. Wallet may require a stable network for syncing cards. Also, if you can, you could try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. If not, just connect to a stable Wi-Fi so the app operates smoothly and can sync cards. After these steps, reopen wallet. It should function normally, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.